Yo everyone, this is Sidney at F.C.R. Welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're gonna have a close look on this AS Roma away jersey, the play version by Adidas, customized with Lukaku number 19 on the back, as well as the Europa League patches. I bought it from ZVBEST1. Check in the link in the description down below to find out who the seller is. Also, before I have a close look at this one, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Way more cool stuff is on the way, so now let's check this one out. So that's this away jersey of AS Roma. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this one. It's an amazing jersey. That graphic design in the jersey in combination with that light color is so amazing. So it's a really nice jersey for me. So let me know what you guys think. In the next clip I'll show you how this play version jersey fits me. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone. See you next time.